Good evening. My name is Rajiv. Today I am going to start part 7 Geography Famous Peaks and Mountains of India. So let's start from question number 1. Question number 1. What is the highest peak of Aravalli Range? Guru Shikhar, Dubgar, Kalsubai, Babulmala. Correct answer is Guru Shikhar. Guru Shikhar, the highest peak, is situated in Mount Abu of Aravalli Range. Aravalli Range is located between Delhi and Palanpur in Gujarat. Question number 2. What is the highest peak of Satpura Range? Dadabata, Annamalai, Dhupgarh, Guru Shikhar. Correct answer is Dhupgarh. Mahadevi Hills is located on Satpura Range. Amarkantak is another important peak of Satpura Range. Satpura Range located between Narmada and Tapi. Question number 3. In which state is the hills of Parshanath located? Assam, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan. Correct answer is Jharkhand. Question number 4. What is the highest peak of Eastern Ghats? Mahendragiri, Malayagiri, Jindagara, Kalsubai. Correct answer is Mahendragiri. Ranges of Eastern Ghats: Madhugula Kunda Range, Jindagara Peak, Armakunda, Galikunda, Sinkram Gutta are important peak of Eastern Ghats. Malaya Range, Mahendragiri, Jindagara is located in Andhra Pradesh. Question number 5. What is the highest peak of Western Ghats? Kudramukh, Babulmala, Anaimudi, Kalsubai. Correct answer is Anaimudi. Western Ghat is also called as the Sahyadri. Three division of Western Ghats. First division is Northern Western Ghats. Highest peak is Kalsubai. Middle Sahyadri peaks Babulmala, Kudramukh, Dodabeta, Madurai, etc. Third division of Western Ghats, southern section of Western Ghats, house peaks Anaimudi. Three important ranges of Western Ghats: Annamalai, Palani, Cardamom range. Question number 6. Ranges of Western Ghats are Cardamom, Palani, Annamalai, all. Correct answer is all. Question number 7. What is the junction of Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats? Annamalai Hills, Nilgiri Hills, Nallamala Hills, Sasmal Hill. Correct answer is Nilgiri Hills. Question number 8. Kanchenjunga is located Sikkim, Uttarakhand, Himachal, Arunachal. Correct answer is Sikkim. Question number 9. What is the highest mountain range of Trans-Himalaya? Jaskar, Karakoram, Ladakh, Pirpanchal. Correct answer is Karakoram. Question number 10. What is the highest peak of the world? Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, K2, Annamudi. Correct answer is Mount Everest, located in Nepal. Question number 11. Which of the following is the youngest mountain range of world? Himalaya, Aravalli, Eastern Ghats, Vindhya. Correct answer is Himalaya. Question number 12. Which is the highest peak of India? K2 Gadostin, Nanda Devi, Kanchenjunga, Mountain Everest. Correct answer is K2 Gadostin. K2 Gadostin at present is located in Piako, Pak occupied Kashmir. Full form of POK, Pak occupied Kashmir. Question number 13. What is the highest peak of independent India? K2, Godestin, Nanda Devi, Kanchenjunga, Mount Everest. Correct answer is Kanchenjunga, situated in Sikkim. Question number 14. Makuti Peaks is located on Western Ghats, Aravalli Range, Eastern Ghats, Himalaya. Correct answer is Western Ghat. Question number 15. Where is located the peak of Gorakhnath? Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab. Correct answer is Gujarat. The peak of Gorakhnath is situated on the Ginnar Hills. Question number 16. What is the highest peak of Annamala Hills? Anaimudi, Nanda Devi, Kanchenjunga, Dodabeta. Correct answer is Anaimudi. Question number 17. In which state is the highest peak of Nilgiri Mountains range located? Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala. Correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Question number 18. Mount Tenepu is the highest peak of which state? Sikkim, Nagaland, Mizoram, Manipur. Correct answer is Manipur. Question number 19. Where are Garo Khasi Jaintia Hills located? Mizoram, Manipur, Meghalaya, Assam. Correct answer is Meghalaya. Highest peak of Garo Hills is Nokrek Peak. Khasi Hills highest peak is Lumshilong. Question number 20. Where is located Satmala Range located? Kerala, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is Maharashtra. Question number 21. Where is located Mikir Hills? Assam, Nagaland, Tripura, Mizoram. Correct answer is Assam. Highest peak of Mikir Hills is Dambokku. Question number 22. In which state is Mizo Hills located? Assam, Mizoram, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh. Correct answer is Mizoram. Mizo Hills, formerly known as Lusa Hills or Molasses Basin. Highest peak of Mizo Hills is Blue Mountain. Question number 22. Mismi Dafala Hills is located in Assam, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim. Correct answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 23. Where are the Anaimola Hills located? Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka. Correct answer is Kerala. Anaimudi is the highest peak of Annamalai. Question number 24. Cardamom Hills are situated on the border of which state? Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Correct answer is Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Question number 25. Where is the Raisana Hills located? Chandigarh, Rajasthan, New Delhi, Haryana. Correct answer is New Delhi. The hill of Raisana is situated in the heart of Delhi. Rashtrapati Bhavan is located on Raisana Hills. Question number 26. Mahendragiri Peak is located in Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Rajasthan. Correct answer is Odisha. Question number 27. In which state is the Michael Hills located? Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Rajasthan. Correct answer is Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh. Michael Hills located. Question 21. The highest peak of Vindhya Range is Amarkantak, Gudil, Mahendragiri, Guru Shikhar. Correct answer is Gudil. Gudil Peak is also known as Sadhavana Peak. Question number 29. Where is the Saddle Peak is located? Andhra. Thank you to all of you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.